All right, folks, what do we have here? We have here a Drive Medical Trident power chair. Drive Medical Trident power chair. So I've had several of these in here over the years. It's a nice power chair. This is what you call an open power chair, meaning you can see the battery pack, you can see the motors, you can see what's under the chair. Very nice power chair, instead of being all covered with plastic where you can't see anything. So it's a really dependable power chair, very solid power chair. This power chair was used about 3 to 4 months, over a year time. It's a year old, so it was used 3 or 4 months. That's why it's brand new. I mean, tires are new, but the gentleman who brought it to me told me his dad had it, and he just used it several times over a year's time to go to the doctor's office. That's why it's in new condition. Okay, so this is called the Drive Trident. It has a 300-pound weight capability. So this is not the heavy-duty one. This is just a regular one, but it does have a lot of pep. It does have a lot of, it does go pretty fast, and it responds pretty fast. So if you have someone who's skittish, this is a power chair more like a race car. It's hard to explain. It just moves and takes off faster. So if that's what you want, this is the one you would probably want to get. The nice thing about this power chair, let me show you something about the power chair. What's different about this power chair? Well, the tip wheels, you can see the tip wheels are tied to these shocks right here. So the tip wheels, I don't know if I can move, you can see the shock moving right here. So the tip wheels are tied to the front shock, which is nice. The footplate is extra large. You don't see footplates this large unless on a hover round maybe, but this is a really large footplate. So if you have a person and they have large feet, or they like a large footplate, this is a large footplate. It does flip up. As a matter of fact, it does flip up. It needs to be loosened up because it is like, look at that. So probably this person never flipped this footplate up. So we loosen up the bolts and it'll just go up and down. So it's no big deal. Also, if you look at the side of the chair, you can see the motor right here for this wheel. So there's a motor for each wheel. These are 14-inch solid tires, no air, solid tires, and they will not mark your floor. These are nice black caster wheels in the back with double forks. You know, you have a fork on both sides, so it's a full fork, okay? Another thing about this chair, if you want to put this chair in neutral, the levers are easy to see. There's a lever here, there's a lever here. So if you take that lever and I turn it inward, both of them, I'm on the wrong side, I'm right-handed, folks. So now I turn the levers and watch what happens. The chair is in neutral, okay? So that's how you put the chair in neutral. Let's bring it back. So see how easy this chair moves, okay? So I'm gonna put it back in gear. I'm gonna turn the levers back towards the back, and you'll see the chair re-engages. There's 2 batteries in here. You can see there's 1 battery here, and that other battery back there. These are, I'm pretty sure these are 55 amp batteries. So this chair will have a 15-mile distance and a battery charge, okay? The joystick is on the left side. If you're right-handed, we can put the joystick on the right side, and it has a good horn. Most power chairs do not have a horn that you can hear, but this one, you can hear it, okay? So if you're right-handed, we can put the joystick on that side. The arms also flip up if you need to flip the arms up. This is a captain seat, so this seat is a lever. Now the lever on this one's on the left side, which is kind of different, but it does flip all the way back to here and all the way here. So if you transport this chair, your high point, if you're going to roll it into a van or something, your high point is 34 inches. 34 inches with the headrest off, of course. Right here is 34 inches. So you'd have to take the headrest. The headrest comes off easily. So you just take the headrest off and you're at 34 inches. It's an adjustable headrest, as you can see. I'm gonna bring the seat back up to the driving position. If I can find my lever. Back to driving position. You have a safety belt. The seat on this chair, I should have kept my tape measure. The seat on this chair is 20 wide by 18 deep. So 20 at the widest part right here, by 18 deep, 20 wide, 18 deep. When you charge the batteries in this baby, oh, a nice thing about this chair, it has a joystick protector. See right here, this metal gauge right under here. So if you hit the wall, you're not gonna hit the front. It's got a metal protector for the joystick. So when you charge your chair, now we'll use this charger here for example. We'll get you a charger with the chair, but you plug it right here, and as soon as the light turns green on your charger, the batteries are full. And it tells you on the battery gauge how the batteries are doing. And you can see how well this chair turns in a circle. You can see how nice that is. So if you're in the house, this is what you're looking at. You can't even hear the chair. That's how quiet this chair is. And back here is some paperwork that came with the chair, okay? This is not an owner's manual, but we'll print you an owner's manual so you have an owner's manual. And there's a little toolkit in here that goes with the chair. All that will be inside this pouch with the owner's manual. You also have a docking device. So if you want to put a basket, oxygen holder, cane holder, you have your port right here, okay? So let's recap. What do we have here again? We have the Drive Medical Trident power chair, 300-pound power chair, 300-pound capability, okay? This chair has the front yellow tip wheels tied to the shocks. It has the shocks in the middle also, 2 motors, 14-inch wheels, 20-inch seat by 18 deep, flip-up arms, captain seat, extra large footplate. Just a nice basic power chair. So if this is what you're looking for, and it's pretty zippy. It responds a little faster than most. So this is the Drive Trident power chair by Drive Medical. Top speed on this chair is probably 4.5 to 5 miles an hour. It stops real nice. It has a real good turning radius. It's actually a pretty sharp looking power chair. I can't even hear the motors. This one does really well in the grass. So my grass is not too bad, but it did really well in the grass. So again, this is the Drive Trident power chair, 300-pound weight capability, solid tires, nice captain seat, just a nice basic power chair. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.